What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. Today with me I have a 2014 Volvo with a D13. Today I'm changing the DEF filter. This is your part number. This filter, you change it every 100,000 miles, and it's located right behind the tank. And let me see if I can get the light. And it's right there, this one here. So in order for you to remove that, you will need a 1 1/16 socket, and have to be like a 12 point. So once you loosen it up, make sure you have a container to collect the DEF that is coming out. As you can see, there's hardly any DEF on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the bucket, and then inside right there, that's your filter. And in order for you to get this filter out, inside the box there's a full kit. You have the filter itself and this tool. This tool here, you use it to remove the old filter. So what you do is you insert it inside, and it's gonna go all the way, but all you gotta do is just pull it. And probably not gonna comment at the first. It all depends how hard it is. So you see, you got the clips right here. Those clips go in there, and then you pull it down. And like I say, it's probably not gonna come out at first. There you go. See that? So that's your filter right here. So you can see the difference between the old one and the new one. The new one is not that bad, but it's always good to change it, because this can, if you don't change it, it can cause you some emissions problem. So here's the new one. It just goes in there, just like that. Just make sure it's not pinched in or anything like that. Make sure everything goes smooth before you tighten it up all the way and get it to so tighten up as much as you can by hand, and then you use the ratchet, and that's it. Hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. It's pretty easy. Always remember, wear proper protection, especially dealing with the DEF. So thank you, and leave a like and subscribe.